Yo, what's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. This is Toby Rex. Welcome to this price action tutorial slash course. I will be teaching you how you can analyze your trade with phone using price action. If you have not understood price action in this journey of forex trading, making profit will be so difficult to you. Now, what is price action? Ability for you to analyze naked charts without any indicator. For me, there are things you need to know to be good in this price action. You need to know your candlesticks. You need to know your trend line and your support and resistance. That law that support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Look at the charts, look at what is doing, and due to the fact that most courses you are seeing online are being done on laptop, that's why this channel is for you, to teach you all how you can do it on phone. Now I'm on this chart, chef JPY. Looking at this chart now, at this particular place, I'm seeing something here. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna pick my trend line. If you are using phone, you need to be a little bit patient, because sometimes we draw this trend line, it will take you back. So line of best fits, wow, pick another one again, I'll carry it. So you can practically analyze either with your phone or your laptop. It's still the same market, the same chart, the same move. Sure, that's it. So looking at this chart now, this particular place down here, I'm seeing a kind of support. I'll bring my trend line again. I'll put it the right place. I'm practically analyzing the chart, no indicator, nothing. Now looking at this chart, if I zoom in, if I was in this trade at this particular time, looking at this breakout, a swing trader will actually join this trend. Remember, don't trade against the trend. If you are a swing trader, you could actually sell here, seeing this big rejection, sell here, your stop loss here, then you take profits somewhere here. You understand? The same thing here, again. Seeing these breakouts here, a swing trader will actually sell somewhere here, stop loss here, take profits down here. So that's the thing. Now there is a law I want to teach you. Anytime you see a big downtrend like this and it starts consolidating within a particular price, then know that the market is about to shoot back all the way. It's going back, because anytime you see a downtrend like this, you should be looking for an uptrend, a buy zone. So when it starts doing this kind of consolidation here, know that the market is about to go down, back all the way. Now let me zoom in. If I was here in this particular place, what am I gonna do? Looking at this now, this is the support line I drew. I'm already seeing rejection. The market has been rejecting this zone, has been rejecting it. Now immediately I saw what the market did here. I seen this was a lower low, and it now came here and made a lower high, lower low, lower high. It's telling me that the market is getting ready to shoot back all the way. So I will immediately enter my trade here. I will enter this particular place. I will buy immediately. You know what I'm saying? So if I buy there, my stop loss will just be somewhere here, exactly here. Now, first take profits, second take profits, third take profits, fourth take profits, fifth take profits, the same way. And look at that, the market shot back all the way, all the way. Now, if you're an indicator trader, you can actually add some simple indicator in this chart to help you, find a perfect entry. Let me assume, let me add a moving average. I will add 300 simple moving average, 300 simple moving average. I like making that yellow. Now, boom, let's go back to that particular place. So you already know the law of this simple moving average. If it's, go and watch my video on Sausage 300. If not watch that, go and watch it, you will know. But let me just brush you down. Anytime it crosses, you sell. Anytime it crosses below the moving average, you sell. Anytime it crosses above it, you buy. As simple as that. So looking at this chart now, at this trend, somebody would have known that here is a potential sell. You sell here, stop loss here, then you take profit down. As simple as that. You know what I'm saying? So let's go back to, let's look for another chart, and I'll show you. There was a trade I took. I took this trade on USD chef, that is USD this. So anytime I teach you something, we do it practically. It works in all time frames. So I saw something of that nature in my 4 hour. So the market was actually down, boom, all the way. The market was down somewhere here. The market was down somewhere here. So I saw it, then went down to my 4 hour. I began to see this kind of consolidation. Remember what I told you? If it's in a very downtrend and start seeing this kind of consolidation, you know what I'm saying, it's already from double bottom, you know what I'm saying. So seeing this kind of consolidation, I already knew that the market was getting ready to go back. I was just waiting for a perfect entry. So I came to my 15 minutes. When I came down to 15 minutes, I started seeing something like this. The market rejected, came here, made lower high, lower high. So the market won't just make a lower high for no reason. Picking my trend line, I'm seeing this. I seen it. It's showing me that the market is already getting ready to go back. Now, if I come down to my 5 minutes for you to see it's a perfect entry, there are many ways you can enter this trade. Now, for me, I actually entered this trade and sent out the signal when the market was here. Immediately it came here, retraced, I entered here. My stop loss was here. Now, my first take profit was here. My second take profit was exactly here. First take profit, second take profit. That's how we made this you're seeing here. That's where we enter this trade. So it works all the time, so like I said, there are many ways you can enter this trade. Now, if you enter it on the 15 minutes time frame or on the 5 minutes time frame, now looking that is already coming close to this USD chef, this 300 simple moving average, and you know that once it breaks it, you are looking at buy. Let me zoom in. So here is another potential buy. Let me assume you missed this particular place, you missed entering here. Once it crossed, here is a good place for you to buy. Now, a strong confirmation that made me enter here was I was looking at the RSI The RSI also, if you put it, it was super down. The RSI was super down. And I'm saying, let me put it. Okay, it's already custom. So on the 4 hour time frame, I was looking at that RSI. Look at that, it was super down, overbought. It was too over sold. So that's exactly what I'm saying. The RSI was very down, so it was a confirmation. But I wasn't trading only the RSI. No, don't do that. If you trade only the RSI, it's going to disappoint you. Most of the times you're going to fail. You understand? It was just a confirmation that it's the right time to buy. And look at the market. Did exactly what we wanted it to do. Now, another place to have entered was here. Could have bought here. You understand? So this thing works. Anytime you see the downtrend like this and they start consolidating, then know that you are ready to buy. Look at that again. I seen that it was in a downtrend. Boom, here it started consolidating. Now you saw this lower low here, lower high here. Market won't just make this move for nothing. So you can actually buy here and roll it up. As you can see, it went all the way up. So it works big time. Look at another example here. Look at that. It's shot all the way down. So here now, looking at this place, there wasn't much really lower low, but you could have entered here anyway. If you had entered here, take profit somewhere there, stop loss somewhere here, still made the profit. So but the best place to have entered was here. Look at that, it started making lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high, boom, and went all the way up. So I believe this video helped you to know what you are doing in market. You'll be able to analyze with your phone. It's not a must you have a laptop. You can analyze charts on your phone. Just rotate your phone when analyzing. Don't place your screen like this, otherwise it's going to confuse you. Make sure you rotate it like this, and so you'll be able to have a clear view of what you're doing. Then analyze, enter your trade. Forex is good, it's gonna change your life. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me, join my free signal group. Thank you, see you in next video.